Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's Thursday, March 6th, 2025. Quick little summary on the last couple of days. I've been super patient, super disciplined, and executing very well. I haven't been, while I recorded the trades, I just haven't been posting because Tuesday I headed into work, came back, had other stuff to do. Yesterday I had to work all day and I had a bunch of stuff to do afterwards, so I wasn't able to edit the video and then post it for you guys. But quick little summary. I was able to get 2 accounts to funded on Apex, so I'll be trading those today. My funded futures, the evals, I'm still working on those. Those are the ones I really want to get to funded because I trust those more than I do Apex. So we'll keep working on those, taking the same trades I do on my fundeds, on the evals, to keep consistent and make sure I take the good trades. Hopefully we could keep the consistency and the discipline going. I want to make sure I get through all 5 days of this week, taking 3 trades, or the maximum 3 trades. I want to make sure I stay process focused, not worried about the profit and loss, and make sure I execute all 5 days to show myself that I can really do it and that I could do it moving forward. I'll take a look at the charts. I haven't looked at the charts right now. We'll see what levels we could play into today and any possible setups we could take. All right, guys, here we are in the charts. ES on the left, NQ on the right, per usual. These are the 1-hour charts. If you guys see here, we have a ton of sell side liquidity down here. I'm expecting price to act like a magnet towards these levels here on ES and on NQ, and give a potential push lower and a potential bounce off of these. If you guys see here, price kind of went up yesterday in the day, kind of had a nice bull run, consolidated overnight, and now it's continuing lower. These markets have been a little crazy as of late, and these moves have been pretty hectic. We're having 500, 800 point days here, 300 point swings intraday, and it's pretty crazy. So what we're waiting for here is a tap into this level, a possible setup, and a continuation up towards the north side, possibly for the 50% retracement level, and a rejection off of that and a continuation lower. So nothing for me to do unless one of my levels gets tapped into. So I'll be here per usual, just waiting. Again, I'm trying to make sure I finish the week positive here, and I'm not talking about P&L wise, I'm talking about process. If I can finish 3 trades, good solid A+ setups today and tomorrow, then it's going to be a good week for me regardless of what the P&L says. So I'll be back if any of my levels get tapped into, and I'll let you guys know of any setups that present themselves. All right, guys, here we are. Wait for this close of this candle here. We'll go ahead and take this. Order filled. We are in on that short there. Alright guys, so I'll go ahead and explain this trade. Looks like I might get stopped down here in a little bit. But here's the reasoning, right? On the 60-minute, we had a double top right here, back to back on these 2 candles. Out on the ES, similar pivot zone right here that we tapped into that. Then price kept pushing towards the north side and pushed a little higher to the 50% retracement level. As you guys see here, my orange line here is coming to look across here. And on the 3-minute, it gave a nice little or decent size 10-point gap here. Once the 3-minute closed below, we got the confirmation that a possible sell-off here, and I jumped in on the short. As you guys can see, as price has quickly gone against me here, and possibly about to stop me out. Strong 50-point move on the NQ right there. If I get stopped out, it is what it is. A solid trade. I'm thinking a bunch of liquidity got tapped into, and I'm thinking we could take this move short. But unfortunately, if it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. You'll see here. There you go. Unfortunately, that didn't work out in my favor. It is what it is. -1R. We'll be patient. We'll wait. Again, this market is moving crazy. We have news coming out every 5-10 minutes, so it's kind of hit or miss here or there. All I can do is play my levels and make sure I execute the right way, and eventually the probabilities will play out in my favor. It sucks. It is what it is, though. We'll be back on the next one, and I'll let you guys know. All right, guys, if we get this candle closed below, we're going to go try to get in on a short. We got that candle closed below. I'll go ahead and explain this one here in a bit. Okay, I'll go ahead and explain this one. So on this one, if you look at the 4-hour, you can see this pretty large size gap right here. You can see this pretty large gap. The middle point of this gap, you'll see here, is, let me go ahead and delete this. The middle point of this gap would be this yellow line right here on the my second yellow line that I marked. So I'm expecting, we have a couple confluences here, or we are in premium. We just broke above the 50% retracement level, so that's 2. And then we tapped into that 4-hour 50% level of fair value gap as well. So that's 3 confluences. Once the 1 minute got the close below, that was 4. confluences, and I jumped in on the trade. I'm expecting price to potentially sell off here. We get pretty strong, decent moves right now. The market is just super volatile, and we might get a push down in our favor, and we'll be looking to capitalize on that. So again, a couple confluences there to take this trade, so I'm thinking we have a decent chance for this one to work in our favor. If it works out, great. If not, great. At least we're taking the trade. We're following our plan, and we're executing to the best of our ability. So I'll let this one play out. I'll come back and I'll let you guys know how this one works. All right, guys. This is the crazy market we're dealing with here. As you guys saw, price went in my favor there. Came back, almost took me out there for a full -1 loser, and then sold off again to get me to my full +2R. From this low here all the way in these 3-minute candles, that's 124 points. In two candles, price just moved 124 points. So this market is beyond crazy right now. The movement is wild. It is absurd. These are very tough conditions to be trading in, and if you get some green out of these markets, then great for you. And that's awesome, because these conditions are super crazy and super volatile, and price moves super quick. If you're not ready for it, then it's going to go without you, or if you don't have your stops ready, then it's going to take you out for a pretty large loss. All right, guys, here we are, third and final setup of the day. I'm currently in on the NQ long here. Give a quick breakdown why. On ES, we broke below the Tuesday's low. Here we are, Wednesday's session low, and I'm expecting a bounce from these levels potentially. On NQ, we got that nice, decent size 1 minute, 14-point gap here. Once price closed above, it was a little bit far removed, so I waited for a slight pullback down here, and I jumped in on the trade on the pullback. I'm expecting a nice, decent bounce off of these levels, and a potential move towards the north side to potentially get me out for a +2R target, and we'll see how this one plays out. I'll be back and I'll let you guys know. All right, guys, we're pretty close for a stop out here. Just want to record it real quick. And we are out there for a -1R loser. I tried to take the trade, tried to take another setup. A bunch of liquidity was swept there, and I was expecting a push back up towards the north side here. Again, random news events come out every 5 to 10 minutes. Price is super volatile right now. It's just dumping intraday. Let's see what this move was. From my last trade, 390-point drop right there, sell off in the last about hour and a half or so. So super volatile, super crazy price action we're dealing with here, and crazy conditions. So I'll go ahead and take this loser, finish off the day break even basically, and it is what it is. I'll go ahead and show you guys so as you guys can see, Apex accounts basically break even. I do double size on the 50K account and 1R on the 25K account. Let's see, today 3 trades, 2 losers, 1 winner, finishing off the day break even. It is what it is. The markets today are a little crazy. Super crazy conditions right now that we're dealing with. If I could finish the day break even instead of a loss, that's fine with me. I'm not upset. I'll take my 3 trades and walk away here. Again, very high quality setups that I took today. A+ setups only that I'm trying to focus on, and unfortunately, we weren't able to get those 2 winners here today. Heading off to work right now, so I'll be done. No more trades for me whatsoever. I'll go ahead and post this video here in a little bit. And again, we're not worried about the wins and the losses. We're always focused on the process here. We're process focused day 4 of the week. Tomorrow we look to come back and execute the same exact way we've been doing for these 4 days, and hopefully we get decent results out of it. But today it is what it is. We finished the day break even, and we live to fight another day. So appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.